All right. You are welcome to Success Academy Skill Acquisition Training Center. This remains the platform for personal development and maximum productivity. My name remains Mr. Benjamin, the facilitator and the pioneer of this platform. It's an online and offline platform where we teach and equip participants in the area of digital skill, relationship, personal development, and financial education. And today we're going to be looking at financial education, how to make money using your smartphone in an easy way. All right. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is how to make the use of our smartphone to prompt an AI platform and get a result of what we want from it. Then we now go to a platform where we can now begin to, you know, render our services to make money. If you must make money and make money well, you must understand that money is not just the ordinary paper or the cash that we make use of in transaction. Money simply means the reward you get for solving problem. If you understand this and work with this consciousness, it's going to help you in your journey in becoming wealthy. All right. So if you want to make money, you have to solve problems, you have to meet needs, you have to offer service or offer value to people in exchange for the physical currency or money that we make use of for transactions. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go directly to my WhatsApp, my business WhatsApp. I'll copy the prompt. So the first thing you do, you have to prompt an AI platform. Maybe if you have a WhatsApp, that one will not be easy. I mean, sorry, it's going to be easy if you have a WhatsApp that is updated. So if you have a WhatsApp, you go to Play Store. I believe you have Play Store in your phone. Type WhatsApp. When you type WhatsApp, if your WhatsApp is updated, it will show that it's updated. But if not updated, it will show you update. Then you click update and update it. Once you update it, if it's updated, you have the Meta AI where you can now prompt the AI to give you what you want. Now, prompting. What is prompting? Prompting means telling AI to do something for you. And this is very, very important and it is key if you must thrive in this area and in doing what we I'm going to be dishing out here. You must know how to prompt well. If you don't prompt well, you may not get desired result. You can use prompting to generate script for video. You can use prompt to generate scripts also for graphic designs and all that. Once you know how to do it well. So in case you are listening to this and you don't know how to make use of prompt to generate whatever you want, you can enroll for our class, our prompt engineering class. Within a week, you will master it. It's not going to take you much. All right. So you prompt and get the script of what you want to do. I've copied it. This is my AI platform where I, keep my information that I use in working. Okay, so I've copied it. The next thing you do is you go to your web browser, any web browser you have, but preferably Chrome. Okay, you type Gemini. In case you are using the WhatsApp, you see Meta AI there. You click it, you enter into it, then you now ask the AI to generate what you want to do. Okay, so but I'm using Gemini. Gemini is more accurate than that one. So if you want to make use Gemini, use any browser you have. Type Gemini, Gemini. Okay, I've been using it. That's why you're seeing it up here. So I'll just click it. It will bring me to this place. All right. So you say hello, success. That's my name. That's what it knows me as. Okay. So I've copied my prompt. So I'll just click here where you see Ask Gemini. I'll paste it. All right. So once I paste it, I will hit the search button. It will begin to generate. So we wait for it to generate. So what we're doing here is to generate a graphic design of a flyer that can be used for advert. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. You see, this can beat graphic designers. Once you know how to prompt very well, you can generate any graphic design of your choice. You see how awesome this is? Okay, so once you generate the graphics, this class is for graphic design, not for video now. I have a video class for that if in case you want to register, where you generate video, realistic videos that looks as if they are real, but they are not real. You can use it to also do adverts and make money. Okay, so I have a special class for that. So this one is basically for graphic design. Okay, so you generate the graphic design, you download it, you see download button here at the top, you click on it, it will be downloaded to your gallery. All right. Now, how do you make money with this skill? To make money with this, one is you can teach people how to do this and make money. This is I'm teaching now. I'm bringing free now. I used to teach it for money. I used to monetize it. People can be taught how to do this from A to Z. If you want to learn this, you want me to take you by the hand and walk you through how to do it and become master in it, you can register in our master class for that. Okay, so one of the ways is to teach people to do it. Secondly, you can advertise that you are now a graphic designer. Hey my god, even without good knowledge of graphic design, all you need to know is how to prompt, you are good to go. Okay, maybe in your Facebook, in your WhatsApp, you tell your friends, your relatives that you're now a graphic designer, having gotten this knowledge. If you must announce this, that means you must have been very good in prompting, so that you're not going to mess up. I'm a evangelist of excellence. I don't do things that is not excellent. All right. So if you must be good in this, you must learn how to prompt very well. Okay. So once you are good at that, you just announce that you are now a graphic designer, and anybody that has work should come to you. Or if they know anybody that have any work that can be done graphically, they should contact you. You put your address, post it in your WhatsApp. Platform, any WhatsApp platform or your Facebook. Because before you begin to do that, you have to generate catching graphics like this one now, and paste and see and show them that this is an example of what you do. When somebody sees excellent things that you do, definitely they need it, they're going to contact you. All right. So by teaching others, you make money with it. By offering that job as a service, you also make money with it. Now there are online platform where you can make money, where you can register and get even jobs outside from your country. Maybe in Nigeria, I'm a Nigerian. In case you're watching this from maybe Ghana and other African countries, you can register online. Like there are many online platforms. I think there are particular five of them, okay, where you can make money with it in dollars. In dollars. Okay, so once you generate whatever you generate, you advertise it in that platforms. You craft. It's just like opening a shop, a graphic design shop online. Those who come to that platform, they will contact you. By then, you are now good at designing. You paste some of the samples of what you've done. If they contact you, they pay you in dollars. You make money. You make money. And so this is where I'm going to stop. If you really want to make money with this, you can learn more about prompting, because that is the key. That's what's going to make you to become good at generating you know stunning and beautiful pictures and graphics that will help you to make money. All right. So the five online platform, I may not really discuss them here now because I don't want this video to be long. But if you want or you need more detail about that, you can maybe hit me up in my DM or chat me, and I'll see to that. All right, so this is how to make money with your Android phone. So if you've been browsing all this while, spending data, and you've not been making money with it, you've got to stop that. You can't spend money in data, even time. Your time is even more precious. You spend a lot of time online without generating income from it. It's not a good one. Okay, so try and see what you can do with this, and I tell you, it's going to help you to generate passive income. Thank you. Sorry. If you're watching from the YouTube channel of my platform, please subscribe and hit the like button so that anytime we post any informative and transformational content, you will be in the know to have access to them. God bless you.